going to explain you how to describe pie charts in IELTS Writing Task 1. So, in this lesson, you will see an example of a pie chart question, learn a Band 9 answer structure, write model answer step by step together. So, this is IELTS Writing Task 1 sample. You have a pie chart to describe, and you have a question card with some important information about your chart. The first thing you need to do is to read the question card. Let's do it together.
The pie graphs below show the result of a survey of children's activities. The first graph shows the cultural and leisure activities that boys participate in, whereas the second graph shows the activities in which the girls participate. Write a report describing the information shown in the two pie graphs. Write at least 150 words.
As you know, pie chart is a circular graph divided into slices. Well, it really looks like a pie, so that's where its name came from. It is a very good idea to follow the Band 9 answer structure while writing your answer. This way, your writing will be more coherent and clear for the examiner. So, let's study the Band 9 answer structure together. Your first paragraph is an introduction. In this paragraph, you should introduce your chart to the readers in 1 or 2 sentences. Next, you should write an overview paragraph. In this paragraph, you should list general trends of your chart. Do not write many specific numbers or details in this part. Remember, overview should contain only general information. Then, you should describe specific features of your chart in 2 or 3 separate paragraphs. You should not write a conclusion in Task 1 because you are not asked to give your personal opinion, and you have already summarized the information in the general overview. Excellent! Now you know the answering strategy, so let's start writing our Band 9 answer.
Model answer. The two pie charts draw the conclusion of a survey of boys' and girls' cultural and leisure activities. Overall, equal quantities of both sexes enjoyed listening to music, but a dramatically larger number of girls liked reading. There were also many differences in terms of the children's preferred sports. Turning to the first chart, we can observe that boys prefer playing computer games, 34% participation rate, than taking other activities. Playing basketball comes as the second most popular leisure, practiced by almost a third of male children. Basketball is followed by soccer, which is exercised by 17%. Skateboarding and listening to music are less preferable activities, chosen by 11% and 10% of boys respectively. Reading, the least popular cultural activity among boys, represents only 2%. Taking a closer look at the second chart, we can see that girls' most preferred activity is dancing, being 27% of the total. In contrast to the boys' preferences, reading is chosen by more than a fifth of all girls. Although percentage of female children who play computer games is roughly twice less than that of boys, 16%, this activity is third most popular on the girls' chart with a slight difference between computer games and netball. The latter is practiced at 15% rate. Similarly to skateboarding popularity among boys, 11% of girls go in for gymnastics. Listening to music comes as the least popular leisure, with a proportion of 10%, equal to those on the first chart.